Africa. Police na guitar. Police na guitar. Police na guitar. You're flying back to Africa.
Guys, it's Vlogmas Day. I'm so tired of saying Vlogmas, I can't lie. Anyway, it's day 13, 14, IDK. I don't know if I want to upload yesterday's vlog because it was just me checking out my hair and stuff like that. So I have corners in right now. And then it's Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. I have work. I need to start arranging for going back to work, right? So yeah, I think I'm going to just scrap that vlog or just... I don't even have to insert clips. Literally the whole day I'll just take out my hair, washing it, deep conditioning it, braiding it down, all that fun stuff. I have my clothes chair right there. I need to wash the clothes from the trip. I need to fold clothes, and I need to just arrange my room so at least that I can have a good week going on. I'm about to watch Dear X. I've been watching it. I'm on episode 4 right now. I'm going to watch that as I clean. Mind you, I wish I spoke Korean so I don't have to, because I'm going to have to keep looking at the subtitles. So that's... Don't say nothing, okay? I don't like showing my room when it's dirty. Let's not say jack. There are some purchases we did when we were in Orlando. I need to sort them out and just like arrange them. The bag that I went with, need to... Here is the couch. Literally just clothes. Sort that out. And then I need to panga everything that's on my vanity. No, it won't because it's like... Alright, so I can't clean and watch a K-drama. I don't speak Korean. I'm watching Bait as well. Let's go. That's done. Now we need to tackle this part. Hair looks brazy. I'm going to try these two products, the T3 curler and the straightener. I don't put heat on my natural hair. The only thing I put heat on my natural hair is with this. So yeah, let's brush through it and then do what we need to do. And yeah, I finished. My room is clean. Finally. Yeah, let's get it.
너 아니?
I'm going to start off with the straightener. Let's read the directions because this looks a bit techy, way too techy. Okay, here it is. It's the T3 Smooth ID. Where are my glasses? Diagnose your hair. Ew. Ew. Is it on or what? Power button. This is too techy. Texture panel, texture, color. Alright, how do I turn it on? Let's start there. Plug and turn on. Power and press and hold until the thing lights up. Okay, for like 3 seconds. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Brazy. Select your hair profile. Tap each icon. Fine, medium, coarse. I guess it's just fine hair because it's... Yikes. Okay, we selected the first one. Bro, this is too much. Hold on, let's turn it off. Aye, it turned on. Actually, it's hot. Turn it off. Turn it off. Let's turn off 2 times. Okay, it's off. All right, turn it back on. 1, 2, 3. All right, it's on. Select each icon. All right. How do you? It's just ging. How do you? How to use T3 smooth.
It's fairly easy, especially if you need to reset it.
Fairly
Let me
easy.
show you how to do that.
Miss Natalie, you've helped, but I'm still Confucius. It's hot. Test this baby out. They would be like, it's not rocket science, just flat iron it. It is rocket science. My lips are ashy. I'm terrified. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I can see smoke. Hold on. One pass. Okay, should I change the coarseness? Let me do a second pass. I'm not gonna lie, this is the smoothest this hair has been. Okay, let's do comparison. I shouldn't have worn black. Look at it. Can you see the difference? One more pass. T3, hi. Sponsor your girl. Very, very confusing still to use it like. All right, let's do the rest. I feel like those wig influences. Oh, shaking. It's glossy. Insert music here. Look at it. You just want to fall this way. Oh, middle part burst down. Alright, this is the hair just flat on. Okay. Previously I had said it wrong. I had put it to the very up here. Combe, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Who knew? Yo, look good with the middle part. I'm telling you, I put some cotton bangs in this. Alright. It's curling season. Oh, you turn it this way. Turn. Oh, you turn to turn it on. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Ah, cool. Alright, so to turn it on, obviously, you twist it to the right. And the higher you go, the thing blinks. And then to turn it off, you turn it to the right and hold it for 1, 2. It lights up and then it will turn off. Cool. Eventually you will hear me saying thank you T3 for sponsoring my video, but right now nobody's sponsoring nothing. But these tea, very tea. All right, let's dance.